And now it's time for the Innovation Avenue competition, which is an initiative by ArabNet to help all hardware developers and programmers in the MENA region showcase their product and connect with potential partners, developers, and investors to help them grow. How about a round of applause to the 3 participants?
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Innovation Avenue. My name is Rabia Malouf. I'm one of the founders of LightSense Automation. I have with me Dr. Karim Sayali, who has a background in automation, IoT. Yolanda Bidargham, who is a business manager of technology companies. And myself, I have a background in software, web, and mobile development. We almost have like 30 years of experience between us. And we have created LightSense. LightSense is an IoT platform with software and hardware that allows anyone to automate any environment using 3 simple steps. Change your light bulb with LightSense, install an application, and you can start automating. So with the hardware itself is packaged in a light bulb for convenience, access to power, and it has around 15 sensors, modular sensors, a camera, a speaker, and it allows you to monitor your environment and also control other smart devices using any IoT protocol, Zigbee, Z-Wave, Wi-Fi, NFC, and so on. The IoT market is expected to be at 1.2 trillion by 2020, 80 billion of which in home automation alone. And LightSense, by the way, is not only for home automation, it's for home, retail, business, or any other environment. The possibilities are endless. So first, we'll start with B2C in home automation, and then B2B for retail, and then any business like hands-free attendance, meeting room automation, and finally, we'll provide our services as IoT as a service. That means our clients don't even have to buy the product or any other hardware to get started in automation. Thank you. Any questions? Can we take questions? Okay. Thank you.
Hi, everyone. We'll present to you QuickSense. QuickSense is an open source Internet of Things platform built in Lebanon. Our mission is to build a smarter, more connected world through IoT technologies. Let me introduce to you our team. We have Marwan Ghamlouch, the VP of Hardware. We have Rayan Zaatari, the CTO of the team, and myself, George Najjar, the CEO of the company. So, how exactly are we building that smarter world? Let's give you an example. Every year, in winter, in Lebanon, we have vulnerable communities and Syrian refugees that are exposed to extremely cold temperatures. Up till now, UN agencies and NGOs had to rely on static altitude maps and outdoor weather conditions to determine who is most in need of support. But now, with the QuickSense technology, we are able to provide them with real-time data temperature of indoor conditions. Here's our device. Each shelter is equipped with the QuickSense technology device that provide the UN agencies with the real-time indoor temperatures through a dashboard, like the one you see right behind me. Within this dashboard, clients like UNHCR and UNICEF are better able to understand and predict the conditions of the refugees and the communities. So, what next? Temperatures and Lebanon are just the beginning for QuickSense. Our platform is built for scale, and we're quickly moving into different combinations of sensors, countries, and clients' demand. Thank you. Meet us around our booth so we can better help you measure your world. Thank you.
everyone. My name is Sana Hawasli. I'm a computer engineer. 5 years ago, my friend Al-Hassan and I wanted to provide some electronics courses for kids. Yes, really kids, small kids. We started one, and for our surprise, they were really, really involved, and we were really surprised with the amount of the involvement they showed. Then we started working on workshops. A workshop after workshop, we started to simplify more the scientific content. But there was a challenge, is using the same similar tools, standard tools for the engineering to use them with kids. We wanted to search for some educational toolkits that can help in this process, but we couldn't find, because most of the educational toolkits concentrate more on the output, the final project, more than the process. Thus, there was one option for us, is to start working on our educational toolkit, which is called DADIT. DADIT will give the opportunity for kids to work on their own projects using electronics with really, really simple tools. We're working now on the education, on the hardware product. It will be provided with a mobile application. This mobile application will work as the smart tutoring system. It will be the helping hand for the kid. It will make self-learning easier, and it will make it possible for kids for the first time, maybe. Plus, this will save a profile for each kid. All the achievements, the projects, the things that the kid can do, it will be all saved in his profile and can share it with the community of other DADIT users. The content and the well-designed missions that we are working on will make it easier to foster problem-solving skills and logical thinking for kids. This content will be available in Arabic and English, and it will be so friendly and use cartoons to make this science easier for kids. We are working on targeting 3 stakeholders: parents who have kids with the age range of 7 to 12, schools and educational organizations with 3 products. The first product is the basic kit, and the second is the plugins that can be added to the kit to make more complexities and more projects and more potentials, and plus DADIT courses. We're starting with some group of Dubai schools to pilot DADIT, and then we will move to the whole United Emirates. The next stop would be Saudi Arabia, and finally GCC. With a $500,000 fund, we will be able to reach $1 million net profit at the end of the 4th year of operation, and we will cover a total market of 420,000 users only in GCC. That's it all. We are now working on developing DADIT more and more. We are contacting some product designers in China to make the MVP ready. We are working now. You can see it outside. And DADIT is not another electronics kit for children. It's the tool that will make kids the makers of tomorrow. Thank you so much.
Thank you, participants. Please do visit them at their booths in the Maker Hub. And now, before we all hit the lunch break, don't forget to download the app and vote for your favorite competitors from the Ideathon and Startup Battle competitions. Let's go grab a bite and resume our program by 2:15.